Very good morning, my dear class 11 students. Welcoming you all, your English teacher Rohit sir, to my English lecture video class. It is our first video class. So, today I would discuss the second section, that is your advanced writing skills, chapter 1, poster writing or making. The marks is here for 4. So, the discussion of the chapter 1, poster writing or making, should be about its definition, important points to remember, and some examples. In the wave of COVID 19, I appeal to the listeners not to lower your guard and stay safe and protected by following these 4 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 2 गज की दूरी as social distancing, focus on your hands and face hygiene, and get vaccinated. For providing COVID related information and guidance to the people, national helpline numbers 011 23978046 and 1075 are optional. Now, the class in detail. First of all, the definition of the writing skill as poster. Posters are generally made to spread a social message or to create awareness among the general public about some event of common interest. They are part notices and part advertisements. Like notices, they have no fixed style or format and are artistic and eye-catching like advertisements. They do not follow strict grammatical pattern. There is a lot of emphasis on visual appeal. A good poster has a catchy title, relevant slogans, or small verses, and sometimes a visual appropriate to theme. From here, we come to know about posters, which are generally a creative writing. In poster, we can create many decorations or important words to make poster very important, as it is a part notice and a part advertisement. So here we are having some creative things as well as half part of notice and half part of advertisement to be seen. So the format is like just advertisement through information as notice with decorative style, design, and grammatical pattern. A good poster always should have a catchy title by which the slogan would be followed, and small verses or words related to the appropriate theme of the poster. Now, after that, we are having important points to remember. Always remember points are: number 1, in case of an event, important information like date, time, venue, occasion, or purpose is clearly and boldly mentioned. Yes, it is very important to put date, time, and venue of the purpose of making poster should be over there. Number two, size of the letters can be made small or bold, light or dark, according to their importance, and a dramatic effect can be created even without colors. You have to give the letters as small or bold sizes, light or dark, according to its effect of creation, without colors. You have to write the notice without color or in black and white to be standardized. A complicated drawing is not required in the visual. A simple cartoon drawing or caricature can also fulfill the purpose. The object is not to test your skill at drawing but your ability to present the theme through a meaningful visual, if at all a visual has been demanded. Here you have to draw a picture to be visualized and try to draw simple and normal picture. It should not be complicated one. Number 4, a poster must immediately catch the onlooker's attention and fulfill the purpose towards which it is targeted. Yeah, you have to give the catchy title or catchy slogan or catchy words related to the purpose of the poster. For what purpose poster is made should be clear to the viewers or the public. Now, the last one, examples. Here we have some examples. Among the various examples, we have two examples only. The first one, design a poster warning the people of Delhi against the danger of pollution and appealing them to keep their surroundings clean. The question asks about the warning the people of Delhi against the danger of pollution. As Delhi is the capital of our country, so day by day the capital is being polluted. So, for that purpose, it is required to make a poster to keep aware the people of the surrounding places, and it is important to clean the surroundings by ourselves only. Clear? Now see the answer of it. So the title is Pollution and the slogan, the silent killer, more dangerous than atom bomb. Let us fight it. Keep your vehicle pollution free. Keep your surroundings clean. Don't smoke. Grow terrace gardens and kitchen gardens. Grow more trees in your surroundings. These are the suggestions to be remembered. Then, after that, the advice, pollution is enemy of all religions, all communities, all castes. So pollution would not see any people separately or specially. It would make problems or dirts or harmness to any kind of people. So the poster of the question accordingly is like this. And as I told you, the poster making is issued by an organization or a government official or a particular person or the owner who is issuing the poster on behalf of something. So here the poster is issued by whom? By National Pollution Control, Government of India, New Delhi. So this is the answer of the question, and I hope that you have understood the important things to make a poster, what are required. Now the next question: design an attractive poster for an anti-smoking campaign being held in your school on the occasion of World No Tobacco Day. You may use slogans don't exceed 50 words. So as it is suggested you all that the word limits should be within 50 or till 50. So you have to make another poster that is regarding an anti-smoking campaign being held in your school on the occasion of World No Tobacco Day. So this is the main purpose of making poster. So in that case the answer should be don't smoke, save yourself and others. The title is do not smoke and the slogan save yourself and others. And some important catchy lines: smoking saps your strength, stamina and energy and brings ruin and death. So smoking can cause many problems. So we should not smoke or we should avoid smoking. Every cigarette cuts your life by 5 minutes. The suggestion is every cigarette cuts your life by 5 minutes. When you are smoking with a cigarette, cutting your life each of your 5 minutes in your day. Do you want to save your precious life? This is a question. What you want? You want to save your life? Say no today to cigarettes. No, we do not smoke anymore. We would not take smoking anymore. That's why we say no today to cigarettes. We want to save our precious life. Clear? This is also issued by Ministry of Health, Government of India, New Delhi. So I hope you have understood about the second example of poster making asked in the question. So nicely the poster or the posters have been made and created to give awareness of something which is wrong or against the society. Being humans of our society, we should think the positive things, and it's our duty to make aware or alert the general public against the social ill thing, ill social or anti-social happenings. So here I have ended the class. Hope you are well discussed with the topics of the chapter, and till here keep practicing and keep learning a lot. Have a nice day. Thank you.